Welcome to this presentation on Work-Study Diploma in Vertical Transportation, or WS-DIP in VT, in short. This course prepares you for a professional career in the built environment sector. Without further ado, let's hear from a senior lift specialist to share with you.
Okay, my name is Nixon. I'm a senior lift technician working in Hitachi Elevator Asia for the past 20 years. The older days I used to study in NDC2 in electronic. But one of the reasons which I joined this industry is because when I was young, right, I was trapped in the lift. So some of the when the lift technician rescued me, right, somehow they inspire me to join this industry. So from there, right, I joined this industry. So when I joined this industry, when I have a chance to upgrade myself to WS-DIP, I find that last time, 20 years ago, education is so different from right now. Last time I used to study electronics, but when I study WS-DIP, right, it's totally purely the same what I'm doing right now. The course that actually teach is totally what I'm doing right now. It's totally relevant. So I think it's a good place to learn this trade, purely for this trade. So about the course, I'll tell them we took the WS-DIP course at vertical transport. So they were asking me how is the course. I said the course is very interesting because many things have changed, especially the technologies have changed. What we learn is almost what we know in the company, but in WS-DIP vertical transport we can learn even more. If he's not in this industry, or maybe you want to upskill yourself, I think it's still a very good place to learn about the technology and for the lift industry. So from here, right, you can actually know everything from top to bottom. So if you join here, right, you can actually learn not just all this, but also some of other technology, the most advanced technologies. So it's still good to join to upgrade yourself and what is happening in the lift industry, where we can know more in depth. It's really, like I said already, for the past 20 years, right, when I come back to study, a lot of things have changed. It really gave me a chance to really study. At the same time, I also have kids. It's also give me a chance to study with my kids. That's why I always told them, my dad can study, you don't tell me you cannot. So this is a good chance for me to bond the kids together to study together also.
The Work-Study Diploma in Vertical Transportation course is a 2.5-year program that provides you the skills and knowledge to perform the following tasks. Depending on performance in their job role, the graduate will be able to assume higher responsibility roles in lift and escalator companies. Job opportunities include assistant lift engineer, principal specialist or supervisor. In September 2019, Senior Minister of State for Manpower Zaqy Mohammed announced the implementation of progressive wage model for lift sector. The PWM raises salary for this job role, brings awareness of the public for its essentiality and need for professionals during peace times, and the pandemic period for the lift sector. Our pioneers that started in the industries has benefited a lot. There are more than 140 lift and escalator companies in Singapore and continuously recruiting young specialists for the sector. The progressive wage model established the minimum wage for diversified tracks. WS-DIP VT will follow the principal or supervisor tracks. Their respective minimum wage are $3,200 to $5,500, or $2,800 to $5,000 respectively. This wage will also review and increase progressively over the next 6 years as officially released by the recommendations of the Sectoral Tripartite Cluster for Lift and Escalator Industry, in short TCLE. In comparison with other diploma, WS-DIP VT is a 30-month stay or block release course. An OJT. The course contents includes lift safety and orientation, escalator technology, installation and maintenance, inspection and testing, incident investigation, smart technology, supervisory skills and project management, and much more. For registration and more information, please visit the website at www.ite.edu.sg or email to ibt@it.edu.sg. Thank you and wish you a successful pursuit in this lift and escalator engineering career.